Good morning, students. As in my last video, I have explained about how the numbers are increasing and becoming larger and larger. From 1 digit to 2 digit, from 2 to 3 digit, 3 to 4 digits. So what we can say, what is large numbers? Numbers having more number of digits, very important, more number of digits are called as large numbers. If the number of digits get increases in the previous numbers, we can say the number becomes larger and larger. So the large number are the numbers who having more digit in that numbers. As 99 is larger than 9, 999 is larger than 99, 9999 is larger than 999, 99999 is larger than 9999. So as the number of digits increases, you can see the number become large. So in large numbers, the number of digits plays very important role. Now here in this table you can see the number name of these numbers, the number name of large numbers also. So how we have given name to these numbers? As I have already told in my previous video about the number system, the grouping of a number according to the digits a number have is based on the system which is known as number system. Basically, there are two main systems of numbers. You can see this. The one is the Indian number system, or we can say Hindu Arabic system, and the other is the second number system is international number system, or we can say this system as Western system. Okay, so there is basically two type of number system, Indian number system and international system. For numeration we using both these number system, as India has its own number system and other countries have their own number system. So for making all the transaction possible in form of currency or other exchanges and all, so we are using both the number system, Indian as well as international number system. For example, if you see in this table, the number name is given in two forms. See, in lakh or 100,000, we can say this number either lakh or 100,000. The next number is 10 lakh or million. We can say 10 lakh or million also. Crore or 10 million. 10 crore or 100 million. Either we can say 10 crore or we can say 100 million. What we call 100 crore? Either we call 100 crore or billion. So there are basically two systems we are using for reading of numbers in large. This number system uses different place value chart, and this place value chart differentiate these Indian number system and international number system from each other. The place value chart which is we are using in Indian number system is known as Indian place value chart, as this place value chart is basically depend on Hindu Arabic system or Indian numeration system, so it is known as Indian place value chart. And the other place value chart is based on international system other than Indian numeration system, which is basically based on Western style or Western systems. So that's why that place value is known as international place value chart. So which place value charts we are using for numeration of large number? Yes, very good. Indian place value chart and international place value chart. So we will learn one by one of these place value chart. Let us see what is Indian place value chart. But before it, if I ask what is place value chart, so the place value chart is nothing but the arrangement of number of digits. We can say the place value chart is basically divided into number of periods. So here this chart is basically divides into some number of periods in which the number of digits are placed of the given number, and accordingly we will find the value of the number. So we can say in place value chart, either it is Indian or international, the period, the number of period is plays a very important role. Like in Indian place value chart, the ones period has 3 places. Now the ones period has 3 places. It has 3 places: ones, tens and 100. Which 3 places ones period have? 3: ones, tens and hundreds. Then the all other periods have 2 places. Then whatever other periods in Indian place value chart having, they have only 2 places. Now you can see this place value chart, which is Indian system based. In this basically you will see ones, thousands, lakh and crores. What these are? Periods. So in Indian place value chart there are mainly 4 periods: 1, 2, 3, 4. Ones period, thousands